Welcome to Tradoo ERP. In this tutorial, we will show you how to securely log into your Tradoo ERP account and access your business dashboard. Open your preferred web browser and visit www.tradooerp.com. Once the website loads, click on the Login button located in the top right corner of the homepage. This will take you to the Tradoo ERP login page. On the login page, enter your registered email address and password. Make sure that you use the same credentials that were created during your account registration. After entering your login information, click the Login button to continue. You have successfully logged in to Tradoo ERP. You can now access your business dashboard and manage your operations from a single platform. Depending on your permissions and subscribed modules, you may access features such as accounting, customer relationship management, human resource management, inventory management, sales management, reporting and analytics, and many other business management tools available within Tradoo ERP. You are now ready to manage your business efficiently using Tradoo ERP. Thank you for choosing Tradoo ERP. For additional tutorials, updates, and support, visit www.tradooerp.com.